Hello, good day everyone. This is a 30 watts 18 volt solar panel. I'm going to show you how you can use this solar panel to power our 5 volt rechargeable light. So guys, pay attention. So guys, I have with me here a converter, a module. So before this can work, you know your rechargeable light is 5 volts and there's no way you can use 18 volt to power it. So all you need to do is to get this module. It's 12 volts and it's from 0 to 12 volts. It doesn't exceed 12 volts and it can handle up to 5 amps. So get it and you now connect your solar panel to it before you now connect your light. So I'll show us how the connection will go. So all you need to do is connect the, if you look here, you can see in plus minus. So connect your solar panel to plus and to the minus sign. Then the output, you can see plus and minus. Then connect the light output, the light to the output plus and minus. So that is what you're going to do. So guys, if you watch closely, you see something here where a screwdriver can enter. So you can just use your hand and turn it anti-clockwise until you have gotten up to your 5 volts. Use your meter to read it. I don't have my meter here. I'll be doing that in the next video. Use your meter to read it until it is up to 5 volts before you can now connect the light. I've already tune this one to 5 volts, set it to 5 volts. So let us power the light now. So guys, here is the wire, and this is the wire for the solar panel. You can see there's no any other wire attached. So right now I'm going to use this panel to power up this light. So let us put it in and see how the light goes. So as you can see, this 30 watts 18 volt is powering this 5 volts rechargeable light because of the help of a module, a converter which I have set to 5 volts. So guys, without this, there's no way you can be able to power this light with your 30 watts 18 volts solar panel. It's impossible unless with the help of this converter. So let's put it again for the last time. So guys, here is it. As you can see, there's no any other wire attached here. There's no any other wire attached here. This wire is coming directly from the solar panel. So guys, that is it. Thank you very much.